and be on the coast does not have.
I love Enviado.
Yeah.
Mirrors is my favorite
Oh
song.
my god, I love that song. What do you call it? When I jumped into the water earlier, I jumped in and just screamed, throwing punches.
Is that a video?
Like,
Nope.
Yes. Always wanted to
It
do it.
is. No.
Are you taking a video of Herbie got cracked?
Look at them. What are they? Are they like peapod men?
Peapod men?
Peapod men?
Pokemon?
Peapod men.
Pokemon. I hate it when people say Pokemon.
Pokemon?
Yeah.
Have you ever had that mispronunciation? Like you didn't
My
mean
whole
to,
life.
You don't,
My mom would always say it and get
No.
me mad.
Have you ever been talking about it and like it annoys you when other people do it?
Yeah.
But it's happened so many
Punch her in the
times
face.
and then you accidentally say it and you're like, oh, I
No,
hate myself.
I've never said that word.
Oh my god, it happened.
I say
No, I
never
say that word.
No, it happened to me. When I was like, oh, I hate myself.
No, please, don't even save that. Just like delete it right now.
Just like, no.
Like, delete it.
Hey, we're walking away from Teresa and Rob now.
Hey, get back here.